students, today I am going to teach you the ball poem, and this poem is composed by John Berryman. John Berryman was brought up in a strict Roman Catholic family in the small Oklahoma town of Anadarko. When the boy was 12, his father killed himself. Berryman attended a private school and later he went to Columbia University, where he was influenced by his teacher, the poet Mark Van Doren. After studying the University of Cambridge in 1938, he returned to the US to teach in a university. Now about the poem. The ball poem presents a little boy who has lost his ball. And he can buy many new balls, but he has a very deep emotional attachment and memories associated with the ball. So he regrets over the loss of the ball. The poet is indirectly trying to tell us that we should learn how to cope with loss. Money is external, means we cannot buy memories and love from money. We all should learn our responsibility and learn to come to terms with loss. Now, what is the boy now who has lost his ball? The poet is telling us that a young boy who is to understand what it is to lose something which is very dear. The poet is telling to us that we should understand that if we lost something, how we should stand for it. The things which are very dear to us. From the medium of the boy, the poet is telling us the boy was playing with a ball which he watches going down. The poet's watching him down to the street and getting lost in water. The boy is going, he is playing, he is bouncing the ball down the street, and he was quite happy also, but the ball goes into the water. Actually, the ball is symbolic of childhood memories. The poet focuses on the boy wanting the same ball back and not a new one, because that was the ball with which the boy was emotionally connected. It had been with him for so long. This symbolizes that childhood memories are precious. An ultimate shaking grief fixes the boy as he stands rigid, trembling, staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went. I would not intrude on him. A dim another ball is birthless. Now he senses first responsibility in the words of possession. Again, the poet is telling us that the ball is the symbolic of life. The poet wants to tell us this also, that whatever we lose, everything cannot be get back. There are many things money cannot buy. Money can buy only external things. Okay, and when the ball had fallen down, the boy was very much sad. He was continuously staring at the water where his ball had fallen down, and he was remembering his earlier days also. The only thing was the boy was having one ball and it was missed. And the boy was having some connection with some attraction with that ball. He learns a hard lesson that life is very difficult. We can lose anything in life and only a slight. Okay, and the boy is learning a hard lesson of the life. Only slight misgiving and crushing circumstances can cause the one life he has to be swept away. Means we are doing very well, but suddenly our life changes due to a small movement. Even though there are other balls, this particular one has some attraction, some emotional touch with the boy. There are many other balls the boy can buy. It's not very expensive also, but the boy is having some inner emotional attraction with that ball and must be carefully guarded or it can be lost. Now, the boy grows up with learning to let go of things in life. Okay, he is learning that things can be lose in life. We can lose things in life. From the loss of ball, he learns this thing. He learns a lot and he becomes a man over the years. Okay, he had learned that how to stand with the loss from a ball. Although ball is a very small thing, very simple thing, but it has given a big lesson to the boy. He has learned the responsibility and he has learned the epistemology of loss. Epistemology means how to stand with the loss. And the poem is a narrative and has different moods like the sadness of losing the ball. Earlier, he was happy with the ball. The seriousness of learning to explore the deep and dark side of life. The boy is learning very deep and dark side of the life also. And also, the boy looks at life from a newer perspective of learning and he is ready to take challenges and sorrows. He is ready to face all the challenges of life, all the mishappenings of life, how to deal with these things, how to cope up with the loss, and how to control ourselves in the condition of sorrowness.